Google Docs. Why should we have it? Who should have it? It's for parents, teachers, and administrators. This tool will help us communicate better and be able to collaborate. All you need is to have a Google account. Then it's easy as A, B, C. Here, I'll show you. Here is my main screen as my Google homepage. I click on my Google Apps, find my Google Docs, and here, their teachers can have newsletters set up for all the parents to see. So say here's my newsletter. All you have to do is click the share button. From there, you enter all of your kids' parents' email address, and they can go on and see what is happening in their kids' classroom every day or every week, whichever. But sometimes you have those pesky parents and teachers. This is a great way to eliminate those pesky parents who want to know what is going on in their kids' classroom and school every second of the day. Teachers, get your Google Docs now for free.